Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, this video is for Osmania University MBA Semester 1 students. And in this video, I'm sharing with you the subject statistics for management. 100% important theory questions for the examination February 2025. And in this video, I covered all the important short as well as long questions. So watch the video till the end with full concentration. Now, Unit 1, first short questions. What is skewness? Bayes theorem, multiplication theorem, mutually exclusive events, measures of central tendency, explain its uses and characteristics, kurtosis. So, these are the important questions from Unit 1. From this, question number 1 is very important. And question number 5 is also important, and question number 5 is important for long also. Now, long questions. Unit 1, define statistics, explain its scope, importance, also discuss its applications in the management of business enterprise. What are its limitations? 100% important question. Second, define statistics, explain how it is evolved. This is very important. Then Bayes theorem, explain its application, very important. Explain various statistical techniques used in managerial decision. So these are the four important questions from unit 1, and from these four questions, question number 1 and 2 are very important. Students, like and share this video with all your friends. And unit 2 short questions. What are the properties of Poisson distribution? Very important. Normal distribution, its properties. Third, binomial distribution, its properties. So these are the very important questions. And in the examination, maybe he will ask you explain the differences between Poisson distribution, normal distribution, and binomial distribution also. Now, long question first. What is binomial distribution? Explains features, properties, and application. Very important question. And what are the properties of Poisson distribution? Discuss the application of Poisson distribution. Very important. What is normal distribution? How it is useful? Explain its features and properties. What are probability distribution? Explain their advantages. So these are the important long questions from unit 2. Students, on my YouTube channel, guest paper of last year for the subject statistics for management is there in short videos. So refer that guest paper for the preparation also, because that helps to you for getting maximum marks in the examination. Now, unit 3, sampling, that is first short question. Null hypothesis, very important. State the properties of good estimator, very important. Sampling and non-sampling error, very important. Type 1 and type 2 error is also very important. So this question number 1 is important, and question number 3 is also very important. Students, on my YouTube channel, important questions for the subject economics for management is also there. So very soon I'm going to upload the other subject important question videos also. So stay connected with us. Now, unit 3, long questions. First, what is sampling? Explains objectives, importance and advantages. Very important. What is hypothesis testing? Explain its needs, process and types with example. 100% important. Differentiate between sample and census method of investigation. Very important. And this census method is important for short also. Now, unit 4, short questions. What are the assumptions of two-way ANOVA? Very important. Chi-square, very important. ANOVA, one-way ANOVA or two-way ANOVA, very important. Test for goodness of fit, very important. So these are the important questions from unit 4 for short. So chi-square is very important, and what are the assumptions of ANOVA is also very important. And unit 4, long questions. What is ANOVA and how it is conducted? Second question, explain one-way or two-way ANOVA. What is a small sample test? Explain t-test distribution along with the properties and application. Very important question. And in short also, he will ask you what is t-test and what is chi-square. Explain its applications and assumption. Very important. So these are the four questions from unit 4. Now, unit 5, short questions. What is scatter diagram? Very important. Correlation versus regression, very important. Bivariate correlation, very important. Define correlation, or maybe he will ask you define regression. So these are the important short questions from unit 5. And what is scatter diagram is very important. Now unit 5 long questions. First, what is correlation? Explain the significance of positive and negative correlation. Very important question. And question number 2, what is regression analysis? Discuss its utility. Also explain the relationship of correlation and regression. So very important question. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications will come to you directly. And stay connected with us, because very soon I'm going to upload some more important question videos for other subjects also. So inform your friends about the channel, about the videos, and share this video in your friends WhatsApp group. And thanks for watching this video.